Greetings WordPress bloggers, welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your login page. About 99% or more WordPress sites have the same exact login page URL. It's always wp-login.php after your domain. So this makes it super easy for automated bots and brute force attacks, because every WordPress site pretty much have the same exact URL for accessing WP admin or WP login to avoid brute force attacks, brute force login attempts. And you can use this free WordPress plugin right here called WPS Hide Login, and it is free. You can download it from wordpress.org. I'll leave a link down below. And all it does is that it changed the URL of the login page. And let's check it out. You can add this directly from your WP admin dashboard by going to the add new link right here under the plugins menu, and then search for WPS Hide Login, and here it is. Click on install now, and once it's done installing, click on activate. After activating, you will see a new menu item right here for WPS Hide Login. It's under the settings menu tab, and it is basically found in the general settings, and you have to scroll all the way down and you will see WPS Hide Login. And here change this URL to something totally different. Make sure you remember this, save it somewhere, otherwise you can be locked out and not be able to access your WP admin dashboard. I'll just do something simple for this example. Don't actually ever use something this easy. And brute force attempts, when they access the original WP login page, it will be redirected to a new page, 404 page, or you can customize a new page if you want, or just leave it as default. Now let's click on save changes, and once again make sure you bookmark the page or remember it, copy it somewhere. Let's go back here to the original login page. This is the URL right here, wplogin.php. Now if I visit this page, it will not be found. And let's go with WP admin, same thing, but if I access with ABCDE, my new admin login, there it is. Okay, I hope this helps. I hope you find it useful. Thanks so much for viewing. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy blogging.